He was 52 when he lost everything. His job, his savings, even his confidence. Everyone said, it's too late now. But you know what he did? He started again. And today, he says that failure saved my life. Because here's the truth, it's never too late to start over. You might feel stuck, like time has slipped away, like you're too old, too far behind, or too tired to begin again. But let me ask you this. If you're still breathing, isn't that proof that your story isn't over? Today, I'm going to show you why starting over isn't a weakness, it's a strength, and why some of the greatest transformations happen later than you expect. Part 1. The myth of too late. Society tells us there's a deadline. Career by 30, success by 40, peace by 50. But life doesn't follow a script. Vera Wang didn't design her first dress until 40. Colonel Sanders didn't start KFC until 65. It's not about the clock. It's about the courage to begin again. Part 2. Why starting over feels scary. Let's be honest, the starting over is painful. You grieve the time lost. You fear what others will think. You doubt if you're good enough. But fear is a sign you're growing. And regret, that only comes from not trying. The real danger isn't failing, it's settling. Part 3. What starting over really means. It doesn't always mean burning it all down. Sometimes it's small. Learning a new skill. Choosing health after years of neglect. Saying no to what drains you. Saying yes to a dream you buried years ago. Starting over means rewriting your story one brave sentence at a time. Part 4. The 3 steps to begin again. Accept the past without judgment. You are not your mistakes. You are what you choose next. Begin with what you have. No perfect plan. No big leap. Just one small, honest step today. Surround yourself with belief. You need people or voices that remind you it's possible. Books, mentors, videos like this. Fuel your faith, not your fear. Part 5. The power of late beginnings. Here's the beautiful truth. When you start over at 40, 50, or even 70, you're not beginning from scratch. You're beginning from experience. You've learned it. You've lived. You're wiser now and ready to build something real. You don't need permission to begin again. You just need to decide that the rest of your life is worth living fully. And it is. So whether you're 38 or 68, this is your moment. The past is a chapter, not the whole book. If you're ready to start over, not someday, but today, type in the comments. My new chapter begins now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a second chance. Because remember, it's not too late to start over. It might be the best thing you ever do.